Did you know Velcro wasn't invented by scientists, but was actually inspired by a fungus found in nature's backyard? Swiss engineer George de Mestral noticed tiny burrs sticking to his dog's fur during a walk. Looking through a microscope, he saw hooked tips, just like some fungi use to latch onto things and spread spores. De Mestral copied the hook and loop idea from these natural forms, creating Velcro, which now holds shoes, jackets, and even spacesuits together. It's proof that some of our best inventions start with a clever look at what nature does. Want another nature-inspired design? The shape of Japan's fastest bullet trains was actually modeled after a kingfisher bird's beak, letting the trains zoom through tunnels quietly at high speeds, just like the bird catching fish. Hit follow for a new fun fact every day. Nature's inventions are waiting to blow your mind.